Here we observe the average Science 1 student about to make a very ordinary discovery.
Look at this. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. This, I'm pretty sure this is a western hemlock.
Are you sure? How can you prove it?
Should we do a delta epsilon proof?
I don't know.
That's
gonna be tricky.
Okay, so let epsilon greater than 0 be given. Okay.
You can find a delta?
No, okay. There must be a better way.
Well,
wait. Look at this. This is from here. These,
maybe
they're greenish yellow, and the needles on the bottom, they're whitish, and they're in feathery splays, and they're not all the same length. And they're small little cones. And look, the bark. It's grooved, and it's reddish and brown, but it's graying. And the branches, they're in clumps. This must be a
we just
western
rigorously
hemlock.
proved this is a western hemlock.
Oh my goodness, look at this.
This is so exciting.
A very ordinary discovery turned into a scientific marvel by the intense complexity of the Science 1 brain. Overanalyzing problems is a problem of their daily existence. The answer was actually just here, in a plaque just above the tree. We have spotted a wild one. Let us get closer.
I just love cedar trees so much. They're so amazing. They're so tall and they have such droopy branches. The leaves are so beautiful. They even smell good. The leaves are flat and fan-like and they overlap like shingles and they're bright green. Even the bark is cool. It has it's long and stringy and it's kind of red on the inside and gray on the outside. It even peels apart nicely with such long strands.
Due to the degradation of this Science 1 student's sanity,
Even the cones.
it cannot observe me. I am perfectly safe at this distance.
They're small and kind of egg-shaped and about 1 centimeter long. Everything about this tree is so cool.
A complete lack of friends in this science student's habitat has caused her to have conversations with herself in order to maintain some sense of mental well-being. Here we see she has become part of the tree.
Do you think they'll see me? I don't think they'll see us. No, they won't see us. I love cedar trees.
And now she appears to be talking to the tree.
Tree, I love you.
Here we see two Sauder students trying to perform their tree project.
Look at this. We could totally use this tree for a tree project.
Really?
Yeah, totally a maple tree.
Maple? But how do we monetize them?
Well, I mean, maple trees produce syrup, right? So we could just lick the tree and then we'll just...
No, you guys are totally wrong. I've just been up all night. I've heard 2 further energy shock. I've been studying this tree. I know what this tree is. Look, take these here, grayish, purplish scales. Up there, those are needles. They have, they're bluish green, they're sharp, they're arranged around the twig. Okay? Almost all the foliage is at the top of the tree. Really tall tree. These cones, yeah? Okay?
Yeah, cool.
This is a Sitka spruce. Okay? You understand that?
Okay.
This, not a maple tree.
It's Melvin Run.
Melvin Run!
This Science 1 student is about to present his knowledge about this tree.
So what tree is this? Well, it's a large tree, in fact. Looks about 85 meters. These leaves here, quite flat, pointed tip, pretty bright surface. A bit dark and yellow on the bottom. These cones here, 5 to 11 centimeters, a bit brown, kind of like this bark. It's kind of green, a little rusty, pretty thick, deeply grooved. It's a very strange tree indeed.
Read the bleeping question, answer the bleeping question. This is a Douglas fir.
The Science 1 student has been stunned into silence. He cannot comprehend the meaning of simplicity. I have spotted the most elusive of the Science 1 species, the physics student.
Look, it's an Amabellus fir. Oh, okay. So, to solve this tree, we need to assume that the tree is growing in a vacuum. Next, I believe, we need to assume that all the mass is concentrated at one point.
No, let us interject.
The biology students intervene.
So this tree doesn't live in a vacuum. It's Abies amabilis, or the Amabilis fir. And you know it's that because if you look at its leaves over here, it is green on top, and look, it's silver on the bottom. So it goes from green, silver, green, silver. Okay, that's how you know.
Needles
And
are
the
blunt.
needles, they're blunt.
And
they're very
smooth.
round. Yes.
Yes.
And they're very, very smooth. If you look at the trunk, the puny trunk of this small tree, you see the bark is very, very smooth, but it'll become very scaly with age. And if there were cones, they'd be somewhere over there, not necessarily on the leaves themselves. That's how you know it is the Amabilis fir.
Wait,
What?
what's that?
What?
Who are you?
Are you in Science 1?
The Science 1 students have spotted me.
How
What
did
did
you
you do on
They're attacking.
Did you pass it?
I must engage my exit strategy.
How did you get
I'm too old for this nonsense!